Hi, my name is Mohammad Rakin Al Mamun. I am a third year student studying in School of Electrical Engineering in UTM. This video is for my debate presentation for my academic English course 3. The topic for my debate presentation is Netflix subscription worth it? I affirm the statement that Netflix subscription is worth it. And now there are some few points I would like to talk about behind my affirmation. Number 1. Netflix is very simple and easy to use. We do not have to do any kinds of setup to watch Netflix. If we are using Netflix on our computer, simply we have to go to netflix.com and log in with our email ID and password. On the other hand, if we want to watch movies or TV shows on our phone, we need to download Netflix app for Android or Netflix app for iOS. Then open the app and need to log in, and then we are ready to go. We can browse Netflix by genres or by name. Number 2. Netflix doesn't have any kinds of commercial. While watching a movie or TV show, there is nothing more annoying than a bunch of commercial ads that interrupt the movie or TV show we are watching during that time. But Netflix is free of commercials and ads, which means that when we want to watch something on Netflix, we just need to click the play button and then we can watch it without being interrupted by ads. Number 3. Netflix offers us the original programs and TV shows. If we if we love to watch TV shows and movies, we love what Netflix offers. We will find popular video content in Netflix and more. When we sign up for a free trial period, we can watch some of the Netflix original programs. We will find true gems there. Maybe some of the movies or TV show will become our favorites. Number 4. We can download the content from Netflix and watch it offline. Nowadays, Netflix allows users to download the video contents and we can watch it offline. This is such a great option, especially if we are planning to go on a road trip with our friends or a vacation. Um, Perhaps we don't have a great internet connection, so we won't be able to stream the video or contents or movies. But Netflix made sure that we can get to enjoy no matter where are we. Number 5. Netflix offers us different kinds of membership plans. Another advantage of Netflix is that we can choose a membership plan that is ideal for us. We can downgrade or upgrade anytime we want. There are three types of plan which Netflix offers, and those are basic, standard, and premium. Each plan comes with different options. For example, Ultra HD is available only with the premium membership plan. The first month is free for all the plans and we can cancel anytime whenever we want. Number 6. Netflix is affordable. When we're speaking of plans, it's fair to mention the price. Netflix really is affordable. The price of the basic plan with HD resolution is $8, basic HD is $10, and premium plan with which includes HD and Ultra HD is $12. For instance, the premium plan we can watch on 4 screens at the same time, which makes it ideal for families. To conclude, I will say once we try Netflix, we will come to the conclusion it really offers a fantastic experience. If we choose the standard of the basic membership plan, we can watch Netflix and TV shows in HD or Ultra HD. We can fast forward and we won't have to wait for the specific part to load. All this we can do with a basic internet connection. Moreover, we can create our own movie or TV show list. We'll also get to explore new contents from Netflix. From the above statement, we can affirm that Netflix subscription is worth it. Thank you.